While Ukraine's surprise incursion last month was the biggest military operation into Russia since the Second World War, but so far failed to ease the huge pressure Ukraine is experiencing on its eastern home front, and Kyiv now faces tough strategic choices about where to commit its troops. Nick Big traveled to the regions bordering Russia and gained access that the latest Ukrainian army recruits at a secret training camp as they prepare to join the battle after 2.5 years of defense. Ukraine says it's on the attack, but it's waiting for greater backup from the West. A month ago, these new recruits were on the farm on the building site far from the trenches. Now they are being fast-tracked to the front line and next could be joining the Ukrainian incursion into Russia. I think this is the right thing to do. Look how long they've been on our land. You can't just still there while they are capturing our territory. What will be do then will be become their slaves. Ukrainian military ensures that the location of this training remains secret. Asked to see our footage before broadcast but did not see our script. Ukraine is on the back foot in key parts of the battlefield at home, but the recent incursion into Russia has given a big morale boost, and it's also given this war a new dimension, more troops and being recruited and trained. But at the same time, Ukraine now faces tough strategic decision. Will they be sent to the east of Ukraine where Moscow is seizing more land by throwing tens of thousands of troops into battle, or will they be sent to Russia KK region to hold against? These were the first Ukrainian soldiers to go into KK, helping to resolve more than 100 settlements and capture 600 Russian prisoners of war. According to the men here filmed in action are now back regrouping. We met them just a few miles from the Russian border. We went far into the sea region where we were alone as the forward team. We were on foreign soil and felt like for foreigners. Do you know how long you be on Russian territory? When you go back, we be there as long as we are told to. If we have an order to move forward, we can get to Moscow, and we show that Ukraine is also about what our guys are like real. After quickly losing land at home, Russia has been fighting back, targeting Ukrainian positions. Kyiv had hoped that Moscow would divert thousands of troops from the east of Ukraine to defend KK, but that has not happened. Now by the co-sign producer, this father of the two has not seen his children in 3 years. A common story. Instead, he has been busy recovering Ukrainian vehicles recently damaged or destroyed inside Russia. One man, Putin Vladimir, is attack our country, and what we have to do, we have only to defend our home through taking the fight into Russia. Ukraine galvanized its public and worried some allies fearful of President Putin's response, but President Zelensky warns time is not on their side and that greater Western help must arrive with now fighting. Thank you.